In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and edit pages in Notion. We'll walk through creating a fresh page, organizing content with blocks, customizing the look, building columns, and adding media so your workspace is clean, clear, and easy to use. To begin, open Notion in the left sidebar. Scroll to the very bottom and click the plus New Page button. This gives you a blank canvas to work with. If you prefer to move faster on desktop, press CMD or Ctrl+N to create a new page instantly. Add a descriptive title at the top so the page is easy to find later. In Notion, everything you add is a block text, images, checkboxes, headings, and more. Hover your mouse over any block and a 6-dot handle appears on the left. Grab that handle to drag the block up or down the page. Nest it under other content, or open the quick menu to move or delete it. This makes reorganizing your ideas simple and visual when you want to add something new. Type // The slash command opens a powerful menu of block types. You can quickly insert headings to structure sections, create bulleted or numbered lists for ideas, add tables to store data, or choose media options for visuals. Start typing the name of a block after the slash to filter the list and select exactly what you need. For inline text styling, highlight any text to bring up the formatting bar. From here, you can make words bold or italic. Apply color to draw attention or create a link to another page or website. These small adjustments help readers scan your page and find important details. To customize the overall page, open the 3-dot menu in the top right corner. You can switch the font between default, serif, or mono. Adjust the text size to be more compact or more readable, and toggle full width. Full width expands your canvas edge to edge, which is especially helpful for wide content like large tables, timelines, or big images. Creating columns is an easy way to save space and improve layout. Drag any block toward the far right edge of another block until you see a blue vertical line appear. Release the block and Notion will place it in a new column. You can continue dragging additional blocks to build a balanced 2 or 3 column page. To add media, type /image, /video, or /file. Then upload from your device. You can also drag and drop files directly onto the page, and Notion will place them where you release. That's it, your page is created, organized, formatted, customized, and visually enhanced. Thanks for watching.